And welcome back. When the U.S. Supreme Court rules on same-sex marriage, and it is going to happen in, well, within the next week or so, probably. This man says he's ready. He is Dallas County Clerk John Warren. Says his office will begin issuing marriage licenses without delay. We don't know which way the court's going to go on this.
That's correct, yeah.
Any indications? I mean, the feeling among a lot of attorneys and court watchers seems to be, in some form or fashion, same-sex marriage will be approved by the Supreme Court.
You know, I'm not going to guess. I meet with my legal counsel on a daily basis. They monitor the Supreme Court's release of their opinions. As soon as whatever the decision is, as soon as the Supreme Court makes a decision, I'll be meeting with my legal counsel to determine what actions I can by law, what actions I can by law take.
But you affirmatively came out though and said, we're ready and we will begin. In fact, even saying we're going to extend office hours to make same-sex marriage licenses, they'll just be marriage licenses available to anyone.
Well, if the Supreme Court rules in favor of same-sex marriage, there's no difference between any other marriage application that we process. The only difference between, I guess, in the event of a same-sex couple, all of the information contained in the body of the marriage application does not change. The only identifiers or the only information that would change would be on the side of the form where in this instance the man or the woman are actually swearing to that they are not currently married to someone else. They are not behind on child support. They are actually the individual coming before my staff to get married, and they take an oath that that information is correct.
Nowhere on any form does it say in Texas. It doesn't say man, woman, husband, wife. It just has two blanks.
It only says on the side of the marriage application, it has the block where the man is attesting to that information that I just spoke of, right, and that the woman is attesting to the information that I spoke of. If there is a need for it to change on the application, I guess it would be similar to what any other form you do, where you do Mrs., Mr., or man or woman, where you just maybe circle, but that has nothing to do with the body of the application itself.
Okay. Here's what some other county clerks here in North Texas are saying. Tarrant County says, no unnecessary delay. Collin County says it will consult with legal counsel. And Denton County says the same thing. It intends to consult with attorneys if there is any room for interpretation, but intends to follow the law. You are a Democrat.
Yes.
You're okay personally with the concept of gay marriage. You're also a deacon at your Baptist church.
I am, yes.
Where does that line get drawn? I mean, is there a different John Warren Monday through Friday than there is on Sunday? There's
a different John Warren Monday through Friday than there is on Saturdays and Sundays. Even though my job requires, I work 24 hours a day, or I work as needed. When I am actually functioning as the Dallas County Clerk, I am only the Dallas County Clerk. I am not the John Warren that lives in Grand Prairie and a deacon at his church on Sundays or any other day of the week.
So your view is that you can have whatever personal opinions are, but you're elected to serve everyone.
I'm elected to serve the citizens of Dallas County, period.
Okay.
Yes.
And any idea when? You have no idea. It's going to be very soon, and your staff is ready to work some overtime.
My staff is. We've been proactive. We're always proactive. We were proactive when they did the voter ID issue. As soon as that issue came locally to the counties, we were able to go out and issue marriage license for, or should I say, birth certificates to individuals who are needing to get government-issued IDs. Right. In this instance, it's no different. When we saw that this was the direction, or this what would happen, we kind of anticipated in my office what would be the reaction. We're more proactive than reactive.
Terrific. Thanks for coming in.
Okay, thank you.
We are following the story, and as soon as we have it, we'll bring it to you, as well as reaction. A new state law will impose new restrictions